Hey guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, according to your GMT over there. So welcome back to Oxygen Gravity. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make a professional. When I mean professional, this flyer that we are going to do today is professional. We are going to design a professional burger design on our Pixellab or Pixellab Pro. So if you are new to my YouTube channel, can like this video, share and comment, and turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever I drop any amazing videos like this. And if you are returning viewers, thank you. I really appreciate you guys. We just clock on 100 subscribers. Thank you for your support always. Thank you. So let's move down to our Pixellab Pro and let's start today's tutorial. So the first thing that we are going to do is that we had all the image that we are going to use on today's tutorial. I'll be dropping it in the description, so check it. It is in our description. So the first thing is our background. The most important thing is your background, and after you get this background, just resize it to 100. Yeah, you can see you get the accurate size. After this background, you don't need to move it anymore. So lock it and let's add other images. So the next image that we are going to add is this. So for these two, also resize it to 100 and come to the position it at the middle. After you get the positioning, lock it also. All this image that I'm just adding directly, I've edited it before. That's why I just want to make the short video of this. For us to be placing it one by one, it will consume time and waste much of our time. That's why we are just editing it. We are just finishing it up. So we just have to resize this burger also. You have the exact size and exact position that you need to position it. You don't need to move it anywhere anymore. So this is not on it. The last one that I had is not on it. So the first thing that we are going to do now is that we add our text. So the first text is this G will be in capital letter. So let's go for the font. Before we go for the font, we change the color. We pick a color on this. So I think I'm going to pick on this color. Yeah, so this is the color. So let's go for the font.
Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Keep my head up when I act, head up, that's a fact.
Do so, copy this delicious and edit it as burger.
Always moving on, feel I don't belong.
And
Tell my
the
thoughts to move
B
along.
a capital letter also.
Die with no regrets, live with every breath.
So for this we are going to change the color back to black.
Then you hit your teens, life ain't really what it seems. Try to find out what it means. Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Yeah, I put out all this art, it's my only medicine. Yeah, everything I do, I'm just being genuine. Yeah, I'm sick of being
This is the font that we are going to use. I just want to check if we have another brochure. This brochure is full. So we are using this.
I'm grateful
So the next thing that we are going to do now is that we add the text. We add another text. So on this text, you just write order now, and we edit it to capital letter. So after this, we are going to resize it and bold it. Come to this time and give it a bold. Let's just resize this. Shooters gonna shoot and I'm gonna shoot until I fall. Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna. So after this, order now. If you leave this order now like this, you can see this thing look meaningful already, but we are not yet done with the tutorial. So the next thing that we are going to do is that we add the text, and in front of this text, call I'm just giving any number for the sake of this tutorial. So this, we change the font to black. The color, we change it to black and change the font to this. So this is the number, and after this we are going to add another text. So this text, we are going to edit it as save up the capital letter, and we change the color to black. Note, this is what we are using the black or this orange color, is that this you cannot use white or use another extra color because we have these two color already. That's why we are using black. So we are going to change the font to this classic. So we give this color this orange and we bold it. So let's move this down a little bit. So after this, you can see this is already beautiful. It looks nice already. So just for us to make this design another branch, let's save this.
Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Keep my head up when I act, head up, that's a fact. Never looking back, I'ma keep myself on track. Keep my head up, staying strong, always moving on. Feel I don't belong, tell my thoughts to move along. Push myself to be the best, die with no regrets. Live with every breath, see my message start to spread. And I had so many dreams, then you hit your teens.
Yeah, so after we save it already successfully, let's save it as project also.
I gotta get through it, and the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally
So
prove it.
guys, I'm sorry I missed a
I
step.
just wanna keep moving.
After I want to save it as project also, that's why this video stop. I have to continue from this place. So after you save continue from project, just come back with this and open a new folder like this. So the next thing that we're going to do is that we add from our gallery. So add what we saved, this delicious burger, add it. So let's just resize this. So after we resize, let's place it at the middle and come to this background. So add the color, just pick a color on this. I think I'm going for this color.
Yeah, how you can get it back, yeah, cause I ain't never done. I'll be number one, working hella hard until I
Yeah, this is a unique color, and after you pick this color, just give this shadow, turn on the shadow. Yeah, so this is the trick, this is what I want to teach you on this tutorial in another way. So if you are new to my YouTube channel, kindly like this video, share and comment, and turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we drop any amazing videos like this. And if you are returning viewer, thank you guys, I really appreciate you. So see you guys in my next tutorial. In peace, not in pieces. Peace out.